Welcome to our exploration of machine learning. Today, we're diving into one of its fundamental concepts, supervised learning. Imagine teaching a child how to distinguish between different animals. You show them pictures of dogs and cats, labeling each one. That's essentially what supervised learning does in the world of machines. At its core, supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm learns from labeled training data. Each input data point comes with an associated output label. It's like a guidebook data and their correct answers. Let's break it down further. There are two main types of supervised learning, classification and regression. In classification, the algorithm predicts a category or class label, like sorting emails into spam or not spam. Meanwhile, regression predicts a continuous value, such as predicting house prices based on various features like size, location, and amenities.